everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on EasyV Scandal from the 3rd to the 7th of November 2025 on Monday. A shocking discovery forces Mdala to shift his suspicions away from Tepspat and to whom, sensing danger to his family, Nhloso leaps into action. Poet is shaken when he learns he must give up a part of himself to fit into a new role on Tuesday. Mdala and Teps are on a witch hunt, determined to leave no stone unturned. Madlomo stands her ground even against fierce opposition. Toriso is stand by. Now easily Poet embraces change on Wednesday. Diro's conniving ways finally start bearing fruit. Mthunzi finds an unlikely friend in the most unexpected place. Poet is riding high, but discovers there is even more of himself he must sacrifice on Friday. To clear his name, a man must expose the real enemy before he becomes the next casualty in a game he doesn't want to play. A bullying issue takes a surprising turn as Lily decides to regain control of her life. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.